Welcome to school
Oh God, which kind of problem is this? Now what should I do this man? I play 66 single
You see they play this one?
My mother.
You see they play this one? This thing go kill you. I say MMA don't come back.
MMA don't come back.
Hey, I told you that MMA will return.
They don't pay you.
My brother, I don't log in. Oh.
You don't they log in.
I don't log in.
Oh, no only log in, you feel log in. You don't see who they pay.
MMA is back now, it's back.
I go show you today.
Say it's back.
I go carry you now, we go walk out for road, meet some people, I say, you go see MMA never come back.
Move they go. You go see.
Shebi, you say MMA they pay everybody.
Oh yeah, ask them.
Good afternoon, now well done. Oga, you hear say MMA don't come back.
That guy don't come back now. MMA don't come back. MMA just come back. You don't even say make you come back drink for guys. MMA just come back. We don't even know where I go. I don't see MMA now. MMA call out there. All I say be.
No wahala, mo pass normal human being.
I don't see MMA now.
Excuse me, please, that's my car. What's the matter?
I tell you, Ogbefi.
Hey, Obutu.
I tell you, MMA is back.
Very well.
MMA is back.
Is back.
MMA don't come back.
I'm telling you.
They don't pay you. Okay, they never pay you. You don't use your eyes see who they pay.
I never see.
Okay, you never see who they pay. How many people who don't ask now?
I say I don't log in. I log in today.
Okay.
I don't feel they log in before now.
Okay, you log in and be say they don't come back.
They don't come.
No, they deceive yourself. These people know they come back.
MMA is back.
I mean, what's that for you?
MMA.
At the time they say MMA never come back, they say MMA don't come back.
He's back.
I log in today now.
How now they do like MMM don't know community. You just come, you go back again. Nobody is MMM. You don't pay anybody. Shankbaka.
Okay, Shebi I talk.
No think am. Make I tell you something. I will tell you one very little. And listen to me well now. Make I introduce nothing.
What's up, Anade? My name is Nanedu. I don't talk Waziba FM, Waziba TV, Instagram, everywhere. So therefore, as I talk now from my innermost stomach, now I talk now. Keep watching School 2 comedy. If you come at them, good.